Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious Carlota de mango. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. To a blender cup, we're going to add 4 large mangoes. The sweeter, the better. 8 ounces of cream cheese. 1 can of cold evaporated milk. And 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. We're going to be blending at high speed for at least 1 minute. Okay, so after the minute, we're going to reduce the speed to the lowest. We're going to open our blender. And slowly we're going to be adding 3 ounces of freshly squeezed lime juice. Okay, so we're going to turn up the speed to medium and allow it to continue mixing for about 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to be making individual Carlotas. So I'm going to be transferring my mixture into glass bowls. And we begin by adding a layer of Maria cookies, or you can use your favorite cookies. I'm also adding some crushed ones around it. Diced mangoes, our mango mixture. And we're just going to repeat the layers. So once we get to the top, we're going to repeat the process with the rest of our containers until we no longer have any more mixture. Okay guys, and once we have assembled our Carlotas, we're going to place them in the refrigerator and allow the mixture to firm up. This will take about 4 to 8 hours. Okay guys, so after 4 hours, our Carlotas are ready. So now we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, so refreshing. You only need a few ingredients and all you gotta do is just wait a little bit for the mixture to sit, but once you wait, it's honestly so worth it. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Seriously, the best. You can taste the mango, the lime, so creamy, and like I said, very refreshing. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious Carlota de mango. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.